What's going on, everybody? My name's Eddie with Colton RV, and today we have an awesome treat for you. It's the absolute best deal on our lot right now. We have the 2025, it's brand new, Esteem XL 30M. We're up here at beautiful Chestnut Ridge Park in Orchard Park, and let's take a look. So, a couple things on this Esteem. We're gonna go around the outside first, then we'll go around the inside. Outside, you're gonna have a full entertainment center with a TV. Ton of storage. Now the cool thing about these compartments are they are rotocast, so you can hose them out, do whatever you got to do on the inside. Won't hurt them at all. Huge hot water tank. Bunch of storage on the outside. Now this compartment actually does have some plugs on the inside of it as well, so if you want to throw a smoker or something like that in there, even just plug in some lights, you can do that. You're going to have a propane connect right below. That's going to be for your grill. And then right here, cool little storage spot. If you are going to grill a lot, you could use this as a spice rack. If not, great place for tools. It's an all metal compartment. Now with the Esteem XL, a couple cool things about it. It is on a Ford chassis and it is a Power Stroke. So if we come up here, you'll see it's on an F550 chassis. It's got incredible towing, incredible horsepower. It is four-wheel drive. That's how we were able to get up here in this park. Full auto leveling, it's hydraulic. It really has everything that you would need to go off-grid, off-road, into BLM land, wherever you want to go. Up top, you'll see here we have a complete seamless fiberglass front cap. This is awesome. So a lot of brands aren't doing this. We're actually one of the only ones. There's no seams up here at all. The only seam you have is one seam up on the roof that you have to worry about for a seal. So there's nothing on the side of the coach, which is your main water penetration point. On a Class C, that's the first place you want to always check for water damage. So cool thing with that is there's no seals. It's going to keep the water out. It's a lot less maintenance for you. So just one less thing you got to worry about. On the front, super sleek and clean. It's the new Ford front end. White Super Duty you'll see on the front. Black rims. It is certified clean idle in California. You'll see on the side we have our blinker cams, so it does have side cameras. When you turn the blinker on, you can see if there's anybody in your blind spot. And then on the bottom of this coach, you'll see we have a giant Cummins Onan 6000 generator. Now that's going to be important a little later on in the video why it's so big. A couple other things on the outside before we head on the inside. You'll see you have a giant slide on the side, but you do already have a slide topper equipped. That's pretty important because if you are on a site like we're in right now with a lot of leaves, pine needles, trees, if the leaves come down, if it's raining, all of that junk will actually come right off the slide. You don't have to get up top and sweep it. You do have a ladder to get up there and do some of your roof maintenance, but you're not going to have a lot of roof maintenance because it is a full fiberglass roof. So you just have to check the seals around the air conditioners. A couple cool things about Entegra too. They do a fiberglass roof on the top, so it's a lot less maintenance for you. They do a drive package, which is some extra shocks, bigger shocks, computer balanced drive shafts, stuff like that. That'll help give you the quietest riding coach on the market today. And they also do a really, really good job with their wall lamination. So overall, you have a coach that's not going to need a whole lot of maintenance going down the road. But without further ado, we'll head on inside. Now that we're inside the Esteem XL 30M, a couple things we want to touch on. So up top here, you're going to have your overhead bunk. Cool thing about it, it is absolutely huge. So you could easily sleep 2 adults up here. It has the load capacity for it. You're going to have the window up front. That does have a motorized shade that comes down. Curtain that pulls across for some privacy. And everybody up top gets some storage. Down low you'll see they are on a little bit better trim package here. So you're going to have actual leather seats throughout. Screen up front, you'll have Apple CarPlay. But it's really just like driving a normal Super Duty truck. It feels no different than my truck that I tow my camper with. So that's awesome. It's really, really good drivability. Super easy to steer, super easy to see, super easy to go down the road. As we move back, a couple things we'll touch on. So you do have a U-shaped dinette. The cool thing with Entegra is they do put a seatbelt in every single seating position. So you don't have to pick and choose who gets a seatbelt if somebody isn't belted in. You actually have a belt in every single seating position. And they also put a child safety tether right here. So if you do have a car seat or booster seat, it goes right on there, already equipped for it. Every window up top you'll see has a day and a night shade. So day shade there, night shade there. And then as we move around to the kitchen area, Solid surface countertops, huge one bay farm style sink with a sprayer on it. So just like you have at home, all residential stuff. Up top, you'll have another Connex TV. As we move through the kitchen, you'll see a couple cool things. We're gonna have a big set of outlets there with a USB charger. That'll go right off your battery if you are dry camping. Ton of storage in the kitchen. It is all solid wood cabinetry. You'll see here, it's actually wood cabinetry, which is nice. A lot of RV manufacturers in this price point are cheaping out and putting press board there. Up top, you're gonna have your giant microwave. It does have a built-in vent fan for the oven. You have a 3-burner range top. Oven underneath. As we move back in the coach, a couple things you have. Giant Furrion 12-volt fridge. So this, again, very friendly if you're going off grid. You can run the generator. It does have a bunch of solar on top, and it does have a big battery bank, so you can go off grid for quite a while. I've only had this on for about, a half an hour, and it's already ice cold in the freezer, which is awesome. Pantry next to the fridge here, a little more storage. As we move down the side, you'll have a fireplace down below. That will actually throw off some heat if you're running on just electric, if you're running that generator. And then speaking of generator, I know I said I would bring up why it was so big. So a couple reasons. One, you have the fireplace. But two, even though you're only 30 foot, this coach is equipped with double air conditioners. So all that power, you can run absolutely everything in this coach, and you don't have to worry about a breaker getting thrown, anything like that. So it's nice to have that much power. It doesn't take a whole bunch of fuel. It goes right off your same fuel tank, and your fuel capacity is absolutely enormous with this coach. So you can stay off grid for quite a while. I would say even probably somewhere around a week or more. As we move back, you'll see this is the Murphy bed model in the 30M. So when you don't have it in the sleeping configuration, you have the dinette, you have your closet, and then you have this really nice couch across from another TV. When you do want to sleep, all you do, grab these cushions, throw them somewhere. I'm just going to put them back behind us right now. Turn this key here, you're going to press the down button. The bed is powered. It's going to come down a little bit, and then you just hit the button. And voila, you now have a bedroom in the coach. So if it's raining outside, you can put this away. You have way more livability than if you had an actual fixed bedroom. But when it's time to go to bed, drop the bed. You'll see you have enough room here where you could actually leave the bed made, leave your pillows back there when you close it. Each person gets a nightstand. Each person gets a cell phone charger. You have lights up above, another window with day-night shades for ventilation. And when it is time to put it away, let's say we're all coming inside because it's not a nice day out and we want to hang out, you just hit the button. It does not get any easier than that. It's 80 degrees out and I'm not even breaking a sweat. Look at that. So we have our backs. You just put them back on here. And like I said, each side does get an outlet too. So they are hot outlets there. Under the couch, you are going to have 2 storage drawers on each side. Back next to the bed here, we're going to go in reverse for a second. You have this enormous pantry too, or closet I should say. So you have an absolute ton of storage in such a small coach. Being 30 foot too, it is state park friendly, it is national park friendly, it's pretty much everywhere friendly. Everyone cuts off at around 35 foot, so you can get into all of those easily. And back here, last thing we're going to take a look at is the bathroom. So a couple cool things about the bathroom. You're going to have an absolutely giant shower. You don't have to worry about your shoulders touching in there. It is a glass trifold door, so higher end. You're going to have a big medicine cabinet, double door medicine cabinet, nice sink, storage under the sink, plenty of room by the toilet where it's comfortable, and a little window in the bathroom for ventilation. So next on the list, we're going to close everything up for you, and we're actually going to take a drive. All right, so without further ado, we're going to start taking a ride in this Esteem. So, like I said, we are in a park right now, so it's a little tight, but I'll show you how well this thing maneuvers. So again, you're 30 foot. We're going to start going through here, little 1-lane road. So on this coach though, you're on an F550. It is turbo diesel, so you're going to have a lot of power. You might even hear the turbo spooling up while we're driving. I love that sound. I drive a diesel and it's my favorite part of it. So going down though, I mean, it's a super comfortable coach. So they're using an upgraded shocks package on it. they put rubber isolation mounts between the chassis and the floor of the coach. So a lot of brands will take those rubber isolation mounts out when they have to weld, because obviously they would melt it. And a lot of them don't put them back on. At Entegra, we do. So that reduces a lot of vibration that comes from the road through the coach. The other thing they do, computer balanced drive shaft, so that's going to reduce some vibration. The rubber isolation mounts, the upgraded shocks, and then they also give you some bigger stabilizer bars. So you have a bigger sway bar in the front and in the rear. So in reality, this drives just like my pickup truck. I mean, I'm as comfortable as that driving down the road. And this is a lot longer than my pickup truck. It's probably about 5 feet longer. So we also have a kitchen and a bathroom, which my pickup truck does not have. So, but coming down, you'll see here, we are on a pretty narrow road, and we're having no issues right now, except maybe some pedestrians. But we're going pretty slow right now, 15 miles an hour. It's super comfortable, super quiet. That's the benefit of the diesel too, is it's not going to be like a gas coach where you're really getting to the gas, and it's going to be a little louder up in the front. This we can have a conversation. I'm talking at a normal octave level. Another benefit to the diesel is you're going to get a bunch of towing, and where we have this unit priced at right now, I mean, this is the cheapest by far in the country, even out of the pre-owned sectors. If you're comparing it to a pre-owned 25. We're saving you thousands, and you're getting a brand new coach with a full warranty. So again, this is by far the best deal that I have on the lot. So if you're calling me and just say, Ed, I want a camper and I want the best deal you got, I'm going to sell you this, because it by far is. Coming out of the park here though, we're going to get up to some highway speeds here in a little bit. As we're getting onto the highway here, a couple things I'll show you. So up top above my head, I don't know if we can get that in the shot, but you're going to have your aux switches. So again, this is a normal truck chassis, so it's everything that a truck would have you're going to get. So auxes, all those do, if you want to put light bars on, air compressors, caution lights, whatever you want to do, they can wire into these and you can just flip them on and off as you need to. Currently there's nothing wired into them now though. It's just an option for if you want to add some off-road features. Like I say, we are on a four-wheel drive chassis, so you're going to have some bigger tires. You are four-wheel drive, so like if we want to cut across the toboggan hill right now, for some reason we could. We're not going to, because I don't want to get a ticket. But going down, we're going to get sped up here a little bit. We're merging on. So again, right now we're at 40. I can still hear everything fine. I'm still talking at a normal level. But it is no different than driving my truck. Completely comfortable going down the road. I mean, I'm driving it one-handed, not a care in the world. But it's just an all-around nice, tight coach. I can kind of let go of the wheel. It rides straight, it rides true. You know, the wheel's not doing this on me because of that ride package. We're not getting a lot of bounce. And you know what? If you're interested in it, come on in. I'll take you for a test drive. You can see it for yourself. Air conditioner blows cold. It's 80 out. It's actually 90 out. I just looked at the thermostat there, and I'm cool. I'm not sweating. I'm just driving. Well, I'm sure we're going to do a little video here, so we'll keep driving, and we'll see you back at the dealership. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in and taking some time with us today to watch the video on our 2025 Entegra Esteem XL30M. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I would love to sell you this coach. It needs a home. It's a great coach, and it's the best priced one in the country. My number is 716-957-3250. My direct extension is 342. Again, my name is Eddie Kowalczyk with Colton RV. Thanks for tuning in.